What if many people suffer emotionally, not because life is impossible, but because of the invisible beliefs, fears, and mental habits they carry every single day? What if changing just 4 simple agreements with yourself could completely transform your mindset, relationships, confidence, and emotional peace? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This influential self-development book explores how unconscious beliefs, self-judgment, fear, assumptions, and emotional reactions can create suffering, and how simple mindset shifts can help people live with greater freedom, clarity, and authenticity. The central message of the book is this: many people live according to unhealthy mental agreements they learned from society, family, fear, and self-criticism. These invisible beliefs shape emotions, relationships, confidence, and decision-making. The book introduces 4 powerful agreements designed to reduce emotional suffering and improve personal freedom. According to the author, inner peace begins when people become more conscious of how they think, speak, and respond to life. The first agreement teaches words have enormous power. The way people speak to themselves and others can either create healing or emotional damage. Negative self-talk, gossip, insults, and harsh criticism often create unnecessary suffering. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is this: most people's reactions are more about them than about you. People often project fear, insecurity, anger, stress, or personal beliefs onto others. The book explains, taking everything personally creates emotional exhaustion. Another important lesson from the book: assumptions create misunderstanding, conflict, and anxiety. Many people overthink situations, imagine negative scenarios, or assume what others think without real communication. The 4th agreement focuses on effort and self-acceptance. Your best changes depending on energy, emotions, health, and circumstances. One deeper idea throughout the book is this: fear often controls people more than they realize. Fear of rejection, judgment, failure, criticism, or not being enough can shape decisions and emotional habits. The book ultimately teaches that emotional peace starts internally. People often search for happiness through external validation, perfection, success, or control, while ignoring internal mindset patterns. Self-awareness improves emotional freedom. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many emotional struggles become worse because people unconsciously repeat negative beliefs and assumptions every day. The 4 Agreements reminds us, real transformation often begins not with controlling the outside world, but with changing the invisible agreements inside our minds. If this message resonated with you, comment "Inner Peace Starts With Me" below as a reminder to become more intentional with your thoughts, words, and emotional habits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with stress, overthinking, self-criticism, or emotional overwhelm today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.